Hello guys, today we want to talk about another topic with you. Stars are made through a process called stellar nucleosynthesis, which involves the fusion of lighter elements into heavier ones, inside the cores of stars. The most common process of stellar nucleosynthesis is called hydrogen fusion, which occurs in stars like our Sun. Here's a brief overview of how it works. 1. Gravity causes a cloud of gas and dust to collapse, creating a protostar at the center. 2. As the protostar becomes denser and hotter, the pressure and temperature at its core become high enough for hydrogen atoms to start fusing into helium through a process called nuclear fusion. 3. The energy released by the fusion process creates an outward pressure that balances the inward pull of gravity, causing the star to stabilize and reach a state of equilibrium. 4. As the star continues to burn hydrogen, the helium produced in the fusion process builds up in its core. 5. Once the hydrogen fuel in the core is depleted, the helium begins to fuse into heavier elements like carbon and oxygen. 6. This process continues, with heavier and heavier elements being produced through fusion, until the star reaches the end of its life and eventually explodes in a supernova. The exact process of stellar nucleosynthesis can vary depending on the size and type of star, but the basic principle of fusion remains the same. Light elements are fused into heavier ones, releasing energy in the process. There are many interesting facts about stars. Here are a few. 1. Stars come in many different sizes, from tiny red dwarfs that are only a few percent the mass of our Sun, to massive blue giants that are hundreds of times more massive. 2. The brightness of a star is measured on a logarithmic scale called magnitude. The lower the magnitude, the brighter the star. The brightest star in the sky, Sirius, has a magnitude of -1.46, while the faintest stars visible to the naked eye have a magnitude around 6. 3. Stars are classified by their spectral type, which is determined by the temperature of their surface. The 7 main spectral types, in order of decreasing temperature, are O, B, A, F, G, K, and M. 4. Stars are not actually fixed in the sky, but appear to move due to the rotation of the Earth. This motion is known as diurnal motion, and causes stars to rise and set over the course of a day. 5. Stars are the source of most of the heavy elements in the universe, as these elements are produced through nuclear fusion in their cores and later released into space through supernova explosions. 6. The closest star to our Sun is Proxima Centauri, which is located about 4.24 light-years away. It is a small, dim red dwarf star that is not visible to the naked eye. 7. Stars can have planets orbiting around them. In fact, it's now believed that most stars in the Milky Way galaxy have planets orbiting around them, and some of these planets may be capable of supporting life. 8. Stars have a lifespan, and eventually run out of fuel and die. Smaller stars like red dwarfs can burn for trillions of years, while more massive stars like blue giants may only live for a few million years. 9. The Sun, our closest star, is about 4.6 billion years old and is middle-aged. It is expected to continue burning for another 5 billion years or so before it exhausts its fuel and eventually dies. 10. The study of stars and their properties is known as astronomy, and astronomers use a variety of techniques, including spectroscopy and photometry, to study stars and learn more about their characteristics and behavior. These are just a few interesting facts about stars. The study of stars and the universe they inhabit is an ongoing area of scientific research, and new discoveries are being made all the time.